Dealing with multi-currency wallets can sometimes feel like navigating a maze of limits. Let's get straight to the numbers you need for YouTrip top-ups. First, the big one, your annual top-up limit is $100,000, or its equivalent in other currencies. This limit resets every 365 days, calculated from your very first top-up after February 27, 2020. This is your total flow for the year. Next, there's your wallet hold limit, or what you can keep in your account at any time. This maximum is $20,000, or currency equivalent. If you try to top up when your wallet is already near this amount, the transaction will not go through. Now, for your single top-up amount limits, which depend on how you fund your account. If you use PayNow, Apple Pay, or a linked bank card, Visa/MasterCard debit/credit, you can top up to $20,000 in one go. However, if you top up via a linked bank account, you'll have a daily maximum of $5,000, or the personal limit you set during the linkage process, whichever is lower. So, to maximize your top-ups, remember the key figures, $20,000 as your wallet balance ceiling, and $100,000 as your yearly total. Keep those numbers in mind, and you'll always be ready to secure the best exchange rates for your travels.